Ready to give your hair the ultimate upgrade? Forget the flat, lifeless looks and say hello to voluminous, bouncy hair that's guaranteed to turn heads. These 5 hairstyles are all you need for an instant style transformation. We've all been there, spending ages styling our hair, only to wake up with it flat and lifeless. But what if I told you the secret to full, vibrant hair is as simple as changing your style? No more flat hair, just amazing volume, all day long. In this video, I'll show you 5 top hairstyles that will instantly upgrade your look, whether you're getting ready for a busy day or a night out. No more struggling with flat hair, just confidence and volume that lasts. Ready to take your hair to the next level? Let's dive in. These simple styles are about to change your hair game for good. Stick around to find out which one will become your new favorite, why hairstyling makes a big difference. We've all had those days when our outfit feels on point, but our hair just isn't giving the vibe we want. Sometimes, all it takes is the right hairstyle to make you feel confident, fresh, and ready to take on the day. When you put on that killer outfit and then look in the mirror, only to see your hair looking flat or unruly, it's a total confidence killer. But guess what? Hairstyling isn't just about the hair. It's about the mood you're setting for the day. A good hairstyle can lift your mood, make you feel fresh, and give you that extra boost of confidence you need. With the right hairstyle, you can transform your look instantly, giving you that extra boost to feel and look your best. Let's dive into the 5 styles that will upgrade your hair game. The good news is, the right hairstyle can solve that problem fast. You'll no longer have to worry about your hair stealing the show for the wrong reasons. Hairstyle number 1, the Sleek High Ponytail. This modern twist on a classic hairstyle makes you look polished and youthful, instantly giving you a fresh and elevated vibe. The high ponytail has become a timeless favorite, and for a good reason. It's chic, clean, and perfect for almost any occasion. The Sleek High Ponytail is a great way to instantly give your hair a polished, youthful look that never goes out of style. Why it works. The high ponytail lifts your face and adds a chic structure to your look, making it perfect for both work and play. One of the best things about this hairstyle is its versatility. Whether you're heading to work, a night out, or running errands, the high ponytail adds structure and lifts your face, giving you that polished and well put together look. How to achieve it? Start by brushing your hair to remove any tangles. Gather your hair at the top of your head and secure it with a strong elastic. For extra sleekness, wrap a small section of hair around the elastic to hide it. 4. Hairstyle number 2, loose waves. Description. Next, we have loose waves. Effortless, beachy, and full of volume. This style adds texture and movement, making your hair look fuller and bouncier. If you're going for that effortless, I woke up like this look, loose waves are your go-to. They add a beachy, relaxed vibe to your look. And the best part is that it's super easy to achieve. This style works for every hair type and is the perfect solution if you want natural volume with minimal effort. Why it works. Loose waves create natural volume and give your hair that carefree, I woke up like this vibe. Loose waves create texture and movement, which helps your hair look fuller and bouncier. It's perfect for anyone looking to add some effortless glam to their day-to-day look. How to achieve it. Grab a large barrel curling iron and curl large sections of hair, focusing on curling the ends. For a more natural look, keep the roots untouched and finish with a bit of texturizing spray to enhance the beachy vibe. 5. Hairstyle number 3, the Chic Low Bun. The Chic Low Bun is a timeless, elegant style that's perfect for both professional and special occasions. Whether you're heading to a meeting, a dinner party, or simply want to keep your hair out of your face while looking polished, this style does the job. Why it works. It's understated, yet sophisticated, and it works beautifully for any occasion where you want to keep your hair out of your face while looking polished. How to achieve it. Pull your hair into a low ponytail, twist it into a bun, and secure it with bobby pins. For a softer look, leave a few strands loose around your face. 6. Hairstyle number 4, the textured bob. The textured bob adds volume and movement without the maintenance. This edgy yet versatile style works for any hair type. The bob is classic, but the textured version gives it a modern, edgy twist. This hairstyle adds natural volume, movement, and style with little effort. Whether you have straight, wavy, or curly hair, the textured bob is a great way to add volume without all the maintenance of longer hair. Why it works. Whether you have straight, wavy, or curly hair, the textured bob adds volume and movement, giving your hair a chic vibe with minimal effort. How to achieve it. Use a flat iron to create soft waves, or curl the ends of your bob for extra volume. Finish with a sea salt spray to enhance texture and movement. Hairstyle number 5, the Braided Crown. Lastly, the Braided Crown. It's the perfect combination of elegance and boho charm, elevating any look in an instant. Looking for a romantic yet regal style? The Braided Crown is your answer. answer. This hairstyle adds an elevated feminine touch to any outfit and is perfect for special occasions or whenever you want to add an elegant boho twist to your look. How to achieve it? Part your hair down the middle, braid each side, and wrap the braids around your head like a crown. Secure them with bobby pins and pull them apart for a softer, relaxed look. Variation for shorter hair. If you have shorter hair, try smaller, tighter braids for a cute, detailed crown effect. Mid-CTA. Engagement prompt. Bonus tip. Hair accessories to elevate your style. To take any of these looks to the next level, consider adding a simple accessory. Sometimes, all you need is an accessory to elevate your look. Whether it's a decorative clip, a headband, or a silk scarf, these accessories can turn a good hairstyle into a great one. Why it works. Hair accessories like decorative clips, silk scarves, or a cute headband can elevate any hairstyle from basic to stunning. Suggestions. For the sleek ponytail, try a decorative clip. A silk scarf adds a chic touch to the low bun, and a headband can make the braided crown even more glamorous. No matter what your hair type is, these 5 hairstyles will instantly upgrade your look. Say goodbye to the days of worrying about flat, lifeless hair. Which hairstyle are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear how it worked for you. If you try any of these looks, share a pic with me on social media. Thanks for watching, and remember, if you want to stay updated on more effortless hair transformations, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. Share your results with me. I can't wait to see how these styles work for you.